Is the red light on?
Yes, it is. All right, you ready? Is there something wrong with me? I must be broken. I must be insane with voices inside my head. Why do I feel so lost with the world around me? From birth, all I knew was death and pain. They say I will be alright as long as I comply with policy. Put my legs and my hands, have them on the
Inside I want something more. I felt the groove. The vortex of self, I understood.
While me, all I want to be is normal. All I want to be is sane.
Motions I force to hide. No longer will I feel exhalation from my tribe.
Embrace insanity. It's all I can do. But I see the light and I see the truth. Well, it's in me and you.
Inside of me, the party's still alive.
Party crabs!
Inside of me, the party's still alive.
Party crabs!
Inside of me, the party's still alive.
Party crabs!
Inside of me, the party's still alive.
Let's party!
Ooh, I am shaking in my shell.
My claws, they're so jittery!
I am so afraid.
What's going on?
I hope nobody sees me.
Run! Hey. Can I tell you something?
You can tell me anything.
Can I show you? This is what I truly am. I'm a party crab. You too?
Me too. And there's just one thing I want to do with you.
Is it party? Ignore your anger, ignore your hate, and feel the groove. It's never too late.
With rhythmic vibrations, love will fill the empty space.
Now give in to your destiny.
I am a party crab.
I am a party crab.
He is a party crab.
He is a party crab.
We is a party crab. We is a party crab.
I'm so glad we're friends now.
I feel the start of something special, my brother.
You know, we just met like 30 seconds ago, but I feel like we've known each other forever.
You know what I feel like? There's a revolution going on, baby.
Revolution!
Revolution.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Revolution.
Shake what your mama gave you.